In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your website pages in the Kajabi platform, and I'm also going to give you a couple of extra tips to help you out along the way. Check it out. Before we go to update our website theme, we always want to make sure that we have a backup of it in case we need to revert back. Instead of having to go through Kajabi Sport and get them to revert things back for us, we can do it on our own. So what we're going to do is head over to the design area here under websites, and we're going to download a backup. So we're going to head to this little arrow right here by the name of your template. Yours might say something different, and go to export as zip. And that's going to send an email to you with a little zip file. Now download that zip file to your computer. Do not open the zip file. Keep it just a closed zip file. And if you need to revert back to that theme, you can just come down here where it says upload template, click on it, and then just upload that file right here. And then it will re-put that theme back into your account here. It'll show up down here at the bottom, and then you can just go ahead here and set it to live, and then you went back to the way it is right now before we do this update. So hopefully the update will go well for you and you won't have to do that, but that is your kind of safety measure to consider before you start doing the update. Now, to do the update, you'll see an update button right here. You're going to hit the update button, and that is going to give you the option to preview the update, which is a good idea to do. It's going to give you the warning that if you have any edit or any code in the code editor, that you will lose them. So it is really important to know whether or not you have code in the back end of your website theme. So if you're not sure, reach out to whoever designed your website theme for you. If you're just using the native Kajabi themes, you don't have to worry about it because they don't have any additional code that would be wiped out. So you can go ahead and hit preview the template. It'll open it up. You can go through and take a look. If it's looking a little crazy, wonky, that probably means this update is going to break your page or break your site. So you're going to want to hold off on doing that update. Usually that doesn't happen. So we have a backup done. We're good. We understand that it's going to wipe out any code that is in there, and then we can go ahead and hit update now. And we'll let it do its thing in the background, knowing that we're safe because we've downloaded the theme. We can always revert back if we need to. And it's really important to know that we don't need to update if we don't need the new features. But this is for those that really need those new features or really want those new features. This is the easiest way to go and do the update. So Kajabi's going to do its thing here, and we're just going to wait for it to finish up, and then we'll be able to go through and check to make sure that all of our pages turned out okay. Now, because this is the website themes, it is not for landing pages. So landing pages is very similar method, but if you want to see how to actually do it for a landing page, go ahead and check the description of this video, and I'll have a link there to my other video that shows you how to do this same thing but with landing pages. All right, we have it all finished. Got it. So you can go ahead and preview your page up here. I do recommend that you also head over to your website pages area here and that you go and check all of these pages. Most importantly, check your library and your login page. Those are very frequently used pages for anybody that's running a Kajabi site. So double check to make sure that all your fonts are okay, colors are okay, all the buttons are good, and that nothing crazy has gone on. And if it did, just go upload the theme that you exported and just revert it back, and you'll be all good to go. If you want to learn how to update your landing pages, check out the next video on this screen here.